I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select the trigger Dokan. Choose a task. You are eligible for a Dokan refund task if you use the Dokan Pro version. I am choosing a task for a new vendor added. Next. Now, search and select Google Sheet. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Now, search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Search for Google Sheet API. Click on Enable. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type. Web application. Name. Bit Integrations. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integrations dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. Paste it here. Now, click on Create. Copy client ID. Paste it here. Copy client secret. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose your spreadsheet. Choose your worksheet. Now, map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Google Sheet. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to the Dokan dashboard, then navigate to the vendors. Add new vendor. A vendor created successfully. Now, let's go to our Google Sheet. As you can see, data successfully sent to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.